Namaste, friends. Today we are going to practice 10 minutes of yoga routine that you can practice daily. This 10 minutes practice includes warm up, flexibility stretches, and core drills. So, overall strength and flexibility building practice. This is an intermediate level yoga practice. We will start by sitting in Virasana, keeping our legs a little bit wider than our hips and heels are touching on the hips both the sides. We will start with gently rotating our head, giving good stretches on the neck muscles, the front side and the back side. Feel free to stretch your neck in semicircles or in full circles clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. After couple of circles on the neck, we will rotate our shoulders a little bit, bring the shoulders down completely, and then we'll move to the practice. Let's prepare ourselves to come on a tabletop position by keeping the palms down just below your shoulders, knees down just below your hips. We will start by rotating our hips, taking our whole body, making big circles using our hips, just trying to build a little bit of heat at the starting of the practice. Feel free to do any kind of movement in tabletop pose by taking the hips back towards your heel to pushing your body forward towards half push-up position. Curving your back slightly and pushing the hips back and forward. Normal deeper breaths here. After pushing the body forward and back, every deep inhale and exhale, slowly we build up the heat in the body. And slowly on the next breath, we are going to tuck our toes, lift our knees off the floor, and do the same practice by pushing the hips down, back towards the heel, and taking the body forward towards half push-up or plank, half plank position, whatever you call it. And on the last exhalation, you take your hips up, slowly straighten your knees here so that you come to a tabletop pose. Stay there for a couple of deeper breaths. Inhale and exhale there. We are just trying to move the body. First inversion of the practice of the session, slowly transition back to knees, chest and chin with exhalation. And inhale, you're going to press your palms, tuck the back toes, lift the hands up towards the front of the mat and lift the whole body up, keeping the abdomen down on the floor. Take a couple of deeper breaths here. Hold on to the position. Stay in the pose for a couple of more deeper breaths. Enjoy the stretch. Squeeze the lower back and your glutes. And as you exhale on the next breath, bring the palms next to your rib cage and lift the body up to a downward facing dog. On the next breath, you're going to inhale, come to plank, and exhale, go back down, push the body down to an inhale, upward facing dog or bhujangasana. You're going to squeeze your glutes at the back, lift the shoulders up, take the head up, and open your chest towards the sky. Deep inhalation here. Enjoy the stretch. Look at that open sky above your head. As you exhale, press yourself down and go back to the downward dog once again. With a deep inhalation, you're going to lift your right leg back up in the air. Keep the right leg straight as possible. Keep staying in downward dog pose, lifting the right leg. Inhale. As you exhale, bend your right knee and open your thighs towards the left side. Maybe turn your head, look towards the right toe. Take a deep inhalation here. One more breath. And as you exhale, swing the leg, fold the knee and bring it forward. Touch the right knee towards your right tricep. Inhale there. One more breath and exhale. Lift the leg back up in the air. And inhale, bring it down. One breather here. Exhale there. Inhale, other side. Lift the left leg. Keep the left leg straight. Fold the left knee. Exhale, squeeze and twist. If possible, look towards your left toe. Inhale, lift the leg back up in the air, straighten the leg. And as you exhale, squeeze the knee to your left triceps. Hold and breathe. Next inhalation, lift the leg back up in the air, straighten the leg. And as you exhale, bring the leg down towards your right leg. Inhale, swing the body, drop your knees. Exhale, drop the chest and chin down. Again, on the next inhalation, you're going to lift up, arch back. Use your palms, use the strength of your shoulders to open the chest high up towards the sky. As you exhale, hip up, inverted V. Maybe one deeper breath here till you feel the stretch. And let's flow. Inhale, lift the right leg back up. Fold the right knee. As you exhale, control, balance, and then transition, keeping the right leg back down on the floor. If you are comfortable, transition towards the Chakrasana or a wild thing, whichever feels comfortable and approachable today. Stay there, couple of breaths. Then on the next in breath, place yourself, transition back to three-legged dog. Right leg is lifted up. Exhale, drop the right leg down, and we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Maybe quickly stretching yourself by just rolling your shoulders, coming to plank for a fraction of a second, relaxing in child pose, then come back again to plank and transition to downward dog. Lifting the left leg up, inhale, folding the knee, transition for a wild thingy or Chakrasana on the other side. Rotate the body accordingly, open the chest high up, squeeze the lower back, stretch the legs, stretch your armpit. Stay comfortable, take a couple of deeper inhales and exhales. Slowly and gently transition back to three-legged downward dog. And as you exhale, bring the leg back next to your right leg. Inhale there and exhale, drop the knees and relax in child pose. Couple of seconds. Next inhalation, lifting the body back to plank and exhale, downward dog. As you inhale, look straight up, maybe holding the breath, jump or step forward in between your palms and exhale there for forward fold. Inhale and transition slowly as you keep breathing to keeping your hips down, stretching your arms up, folding the knees initially and then slowly adjusting the body to taking the hands at the back and lifting the body in reverse plank pose. One more deeper inhale here, and as you exhale, drop the hips down, taking the hands up. Inhale and exhale, bringing the hands over and above your ankle or your toes, wherever it is reachable today, folding forward, taking a couple of deeper breaths here. Feeling the stretch at the back of your knee. Inhale, come back, adjust the body, place the palms down and lie down on your back. We're preparing for a twist. So you're going to fold your knees, hug the knees tight towards your chest. Stay here and prepare for the twist. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing practice with me because I really had a lot of fun making this video. Both the knees, you're going to turn both the knees towards the right side while you press the knees down. Straighten your left arm and turn your head towards the left side to feel a deeper stretch and a twist here. On the next in breath, you're going to bring both the knees back towards the center and do it on the other side as well, feeling the stretch on the other side. On the next in breath, bringing the knees back towards your chest, grab hold of your big toes using your first two fingers and bring your knees next to your body towards the floor, the last stretch of the session today. And then slowly release, prepare for a quick shavasana. I hope you liked my video. Please do share, like and subscribe. Happy practicing with me. See you in the next video.